true love is always wins most of the times. You understand? True love is always wins. Even there is someone who is trying to separate you. The guys, true love is always wins most of the times. Even guys, if you are trying to avoid each other, maybe you are fighting or you do something, but you know you love that person. Understand? And most of the times when you know you want to know or something, right? Sometimes you can try to avoid each other, but you can meet somewhere, or you don't know that you can meet that person. You understand it? Guys, true love is always means wins on the all the times. Because sometimes guys, you know that you can try to avoid that person, but you know that that person, you love that person. Understand it? Just because sometimes guys you can fight. It's normal to fight with your person, you with your partner in relationship. You can fight, but you can go back together again. You understand? Even there is someone who is trying to separate you, there is no one who is trying to separate people who are in love. You understand?